from my college days onwards, I was regularly reading and writing.
Right.
That's a part of my life. I was a politician also. At that time, ABVP, in my second year in NSS Pandalam College, I was elected as a Malayala Sahitya Vedi general seat
Right.
in the election. So first time my organization, Vidyarthi Parishad, got a seat in Kerala.
Okay.
So at that time I was in charge of Sahitya
Okay.
Vedi Malayalam.
Right.
So I was forced to start to write magazine. So many things are there. Thereafter, continuously I was writing during the last 50 years. During these 50 years, I had occasion to lead the BJP as its president on two occasions, 2004 and second time 2017.
Right.